Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in Chase Way YouTube channel, which showcases my life and the things I'm passionate about. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Driver Squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video with your friends and family and let them know it's popping over here. Let's get into today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my
Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. We are here for part 2 on banking and financing, on what top stocks to invest in up on the cash out. Let me put y'all up on the screen and lean back. Look. Oh. So, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Lean back a little bit more. Alright, so as we open up Cash App, since it was Memorial Day, the stock market was closed, so there hasn't been no change on the stocks. Bitcoin is still doing the same thing. It's been declining, but I gotta add some more money in Friday as well. Also invest more money into my stock. So now that once you click the search and I got banking and financing done, now I have a good indicator of what new stocks I can start investing my money in. And this was the whole point of this video. I want to give y'all more insight and how to track, and so y'all can be updated on how to shop for new stocks, how to go back to stocks and do the calculations to see if it's worth investing in. Some companies are going bankrupt. Some companies are losing money. Some companies are making money. And by this calculation or strategy, shout out to Chris Johnson on Instagram. I'm gonna leave his link down below, because at first he was just doing it for free, but now he packaged a little course together, a stock investing course for $50, and something that I am doing. I'm just showing what he showed, and I'm also showing y'all for free. But if you want to learn more, he also talk about how to make money short term. I only talk about making money long term. I am going to be investing in 10 years. I'm not your personal advisor, I'm not your financial advisor, your personal financial advisor, or none of that. I'm not your personal broker or anything. I am just someone on YouTube that's sharing my strategy, where I'm putting my money, and if that's what you want to do, just know that investing in the stock market is 100% risky. You can lose your money. Alright, now let's go back to what's the purpose of the video. So I did 26 stocks yesterday, and today is May 26, 1:51. Shout out to Luncher. Today is her birthday. That's my auntie. She's 1 year older than me. So shout out to a Luncher. If you're watching this, happy birthday. So let's pull up the worksheet, and as you can tell, we have the symbol. Let me zoom in for y'all. We have the symbol, the stock price, the 20 moving day average, the 50-day moving average, and the 200 moving day average. So at the beginning of the video, the yesterday video, I showed y'all how to calculate. So if you don't know how to calculate shopping on a 20-day moving average at an 80% discount, all I'm doing is taking whatever the 20-day moving average is and multiplying it by 0.8. So if you're looking at a good indicator or a good website to look at these numbers, this is not a sponsored video, but go to stockcharts.com, and right here where it say overlays, it's gonna say simple moving average, and you change to 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day and update, and it's gonna give you everything right here in the corner. you're gonna have the share price of what it closed at, and you're gonna have the 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 200 moving day average. And if you're doing this on pen and paper or Excel, you're just gonna take whatever the 20-day moving average and multiply by 0.8, then that's what you're gonna write down. So you can have a good indicator on the market is not gonna go all the way back up in the next 200 days or the next 20 days or the next 50 days, but you have a clue or an idea of what the market could be. So this is all based off theory until it happens. So continue from yesterday, from starting after 30, we have, I'm gonna start right here after Charles Schwab. We have a few companies right here. Some of them you can wait on, but some of them are doing pretty good. So let's just scroll up a little bit, and I want to get into what's the highest one so far. I see 34 so far. Let's go into 33.8. That's good. So I guess it's 37 point. I don't know where I've seen 34 at. So 37.28. That's WFC. So that's Wells Fargo. That's something that I talked about in the last video. So let's scroll down and DFS. So as we go to cash out, we just gonna search in the ticket symbol DFS, which is Discovery Financial Service. So right now they are sitting at $40.47 a share. So just take in mind, if you start investing now, and say you just put $10 in each week, in the next 200 days, that's probably close to December, you will be making a profit. You might have an estimate of making 33.88% on your return if you continue to invest, if you do dollar cost averaging, something that I've been discussing about. And that's meaning instead of just investing a lump sum or one big portion into the market, and since the market goes up and down, once you continue to put money in the stock market, say if you invest in one day and it's $10 a share, then the next week is $9.80 a share, but you invest another $10. So now you have two entry points that you have invested in. So you have $10 at $10 a share and $10 at 9.80 cents a share. And now you have two entry points, and over time, once the market continues to appreciate, because time tells, if the market goes down, eventually it's going to go up, and once it goes to its peak, it's going to go down. So it's all about investing in long term instead of short term. But then again, you can also make money short term, but this is not the video right here to talk about short term just yet. I'm focused on the 200 moving day average and further, because I will be investing in 10 years like I said. SYL. So Synchrony Financial, it's a credit service. Right now their share price is $17.85 as of May 26 right now. So this is another good stock to invest in right here. You're gonna be expecting you're gonna be expecting SYL a 31.2% on your return, 34 AFL. And this time we got more Aflac. Their share price right now is at $34.70. In the next 200 days, you could expect a 34.12% on your return. What else is in the top? We did the 33. It's the 22.88. 33. Okay, Alley. ALY. Alley Financial. This is a credit service again with the automotive and stuff like that. So I wonder how that's going to work. But they're expecting that everything gonna be good. The Fed loves taking care of everybody in the stock market. So I'm not gonna bet against the Fed. 2 weeks ago, reading headlines and stuff like that, I sold a lot of my money, and I panicked. But right now, this credit service is sitting at $15.89 a share. So what I'm going to be doing Friday, I'm going to be taking my $100 and probably investing it and divvying it up into a lot of the companies, even the companies that I already own, to create new entry points. Or I might just put $50 here. I might do new companies, then I might do old companies, just to make sure that I am adding something to new companies. And I'm just gonna continue to do this $100 a week for the next 10 years, which is gonna be a total of $52,000 that I have invested. Some days it's gonna be more, and some days it's just gonna be at my minimal as $100 a week. What's another one? 34.92 CMA. Comerica. It's a bank. It's sitting at $32.65 a share. Your expected return rate is 34.92%. Yeah. And the companies that I said wait 200, I might revisit this back in the next 20 days. It might change. It might appreciate about 40%, 4%. The market always changing because you never know what business move they are making to put their self in a better position. So you always want to just come back once you write down or go to Excel. If you don't know how to make Excel, I can send you. That's something that I can do. If you would like this list right here, I gotta create a I'm going to create, matter of fact, this is what I'm going to do. Let me cut. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a world Microsoft program to everybody that would like to enter in this. So, and I'm going to send this to everybody's phone like right off the back once I'm finished, so y'all can have it. So I'm going to create a random email. It's probably going to be Chase. It's probably going to be at Driver Squad something. Y'all send me, y'all leave y'all email down below, or y'all can email me on Instagram, so that way I can add y'all to the group and y'all can get constantly updates as I'm adding this. So whatever changes that I'm making, y'all will be getting the update right there instantly. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to work on to make this easier for y'all, so y'all can know exactly what I invested in and stuff like that. As long as y'all are watching the videos though. If the videos slow up, I'ma slow up so y'all can go to the video. So if y'all make that commitment with me, I got y'all. Okay? Thank y'all for watching. Chase Way is out. I'll see y'all in another video. And the next video should be, it's going to be tomorrow for sure, but it's going to be ETLs. So we're going to go over ETLs, all the ETLs that's here. We're going to go over those, and yeah, I'm probably going to do 2 parts again, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all for tuning in. Have a good night, have a good day. I am out of here.